us apart. Fuck your dog. Hope he never comes home.
Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink that.
What's up, my peeps? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Today I'm doing another reaction video to another cheeky song. This one is modern day country and western. It is Crazy by Wheeler Walker Jr. This man is something else. Now while you're here, just help me grow the channel by sharing this video and giving this video the thumbs up. Now let's get into it. Boss girl cute. Nah,
You
no like.
say we're done.
Yeah?
You packed up your stuff. It's really over. Said you've had enough.
Get out of here.
There's one thing I'd like to say.
Tell her
before
Wheeler.
you leave. Hey. Fuck you, bitch. You broke my heart.
Burn the
Fuck
picture.
your friends. Tearing us
Get out.
apart.
To the left, to the
Fuck
left.
your dog.
Not the dog.
Never comes home. Fuck you, bitch. Hope you wind up
Alone. Yo, if you're going through it with your girl or your ex, just send her the link to this song.
Now you're gone.
It's done.
And I'm by myself, jerking off to pictures on myself. But
Get yourself a girl, Wheeler.
swipe on your face, I just scream. Hey,
Get her out.
fuck you, bitch.
You broke my heart
Fuck your friends.
for tearing us apart.
Fuck
Your dog.
Hope he never comes home.
What kind of dog? Want Chihuahua?
Fuck you,
It's a mongrel. Go ahead, but it's a Chihuahua. We can't keep the dog. But make you go, Wheeler. Run, way, girl. One more time for those in the back.
Word is out. You found someone new.
Come on, Wheeler. Don't be spying on her.
Well, I
Move
hope
on, bro.
he does it for you.
One thing with us, man.
But if not,
It's like we don't like to see our exes happy, which is messed up. I don't care. Once you're my ex, go.
darling, play.
Just you, your dog, your friends,
Fuck
your family,
you, bitch.
everybody.
You broke my heart. Fuck your friends. For tearing us
apart.
Fuck
Your dog.
Hope he never comes home. Fuck you, bitch.
I hope you end up alone.
Fuck you, bitch. Hope you wind up alone.
Yo, Wheeler is something else. Honestly, this is the cleanest song Wheeler have, like the most subtle song. If you want to hear more of Wheeler, just type in his name on YouTube or one of the music apps. The man have some songs where like you're like, damn, really? The man all talk about sex and his granny. Yo, if you like this video, please like it, share it, help me grow the channel, subscribe, click the notification bell, and until next time, stay safe.
Watch me act stupid. Down, this gonna go down. This freaking vibes is so nice. Gonna drink that.